In this course, you're going to learn how to build, launch and grow a profitable dropshipping store from scratch. Whether you're a complete beginner or just exploring e-commerce, this step-by-step course will guide you through choosing the winning product, setting up your Shopify store, and using powerful marketing strategies to drive real sales. So this is the right course for you. If you're looking to learn all this stuff, basically you're going to learn everything that you need to know. It's the right video for you, so just get into this course right now. What you need to do right is come to your browser and put in this link right here. It says shopify.pxf.io/successwave. So this is actually an affiliate link, and it's gonna take you right here where you can actually try out Shopify, right, for $1 or for £1, right? And just a disclaimer for you to know that this is an affiliate link and there will be no extra cost to you for actually loading up the link right on your browser, which brings you to try Shopify for $1 or £1 for 3 months, right? So you can actually use the link right and put in your email so you can start your free Shopify trial for 3 months, and you get charged $1 or £1 for 3 months. So after putting in your email, after inputting your email right here, all you need to do is just click on here which says start free trial. So once you click on start free trial, it's gonna bring you right here where it actually says start your free trial, get 3 days free, then 3 months and stuff for $1 or £1. So all you need to do is just put in your password, and after putting in your password, you click on here which says create Shopify account. Click on here which says create Shopify account. So after clicking, it's gonna bring you right to this page, and you can see right there it says where would you like to sell. It says we'll make sure you're set up to sell in these places, and as you can see right, it says an online store, create a fully customizable website. The next one says in person, at events, which is market, fairs and pop-ups. Here it says social media, which is reach customers on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and more. And here it says in person, at a retail store, right? And here it says an existing website or blog, add the buy button to your website. So if you have a website or a blog where you actually have products that you're selling, you can actually use this feature right here. It says online marketplaces, it says list products on Etsy, Amazon and more. But I'm just gonna choose an online store, right, for the purpose of this video, right, because I'm just looking to set up a brand new Shopify dropshipping store from scratch. So I'm just gonna click on here. I don't have an existing website, I don't have a blog, or I'm not trying to reach people on social media stuff like what this feature is actually proposing right here. And I'm not trying to sell in person, so I just need an online store, right? So I'm gonna click on this, and afterwards you click on next. After clicking on next, it says which describes you. It says this helps suggest the right onboarding. So for the purpose of this video, just click on here. It says I'm not selling yet, and if you're actually selling online or in person in somewhere else, right, you can actually click on here. But for the purpose of this video, just click on I'm not selling yet, then click on next, and it's gonna bring out this option as well where it says what do you plan to sell. It says we'll get you the right features and tools, and here it says products that I buy or make myself. It says digital product, which is music, digital art or NFTs, and here it says dropshipping products, which is sourced and shipped by third party. Services such as coaching, housekeeping, consulting. This feature actually says print on demand product, which is designs printed and shipped by a third party, and here it says I'll decide later. So since you're actually trying to set up our dropshipping store, we're trying to make money with Shopify, right? Yeah, with our dropshipping store. So I'm just going to click on here which says dropshipping product sourced and shipped by third party. So I'm going to click on this option. I'm going to click on next, and it's going to bring us right here where it actually says choose the best plan for you. As you can see right here, it says for solo entrepreneurs, that's 1 GBP, and here it says for small teams, right, it says that's at the moment, right, you can pay actually 1 GBP, or it could be $1 as well, depending on where you're actually located at. So I'm just gonna click on this option, right? I'm gonna click on here, and it says free for 3 days, which means I can use this for 3 days, then 1 month, £1 per month for 3 months. So I'm gonna click on this option. So I'm gonna click on try basic, and after clicking on try basic, it's gonna bring this option where it says enjoy 3 days free, then £1 per month for 3 months, auto renews and stuff like this. So you're just gonna select the payment method that you want. So after selecting your payment method, then you can actually pay. It says subscribe for 1 GBP. So after you must have put in your details, right? It's gonna take you right to this page where it actually says where you get to see your Shopify home page here. So you're going to be in for the free trial. So as you can see right here, it says 3 days left in your trial. Trial ends on April 21. Select a plan and stuff. So this is how the Shopify dashboard actually looks like. That's when you actually sign in, right? That's when you've actually put in your desired payment method, right? It's going to bring you to this platform where you get to see the home, you get to see the orders options right here, the orders features, you get to see your products. That's where you get to see collections, you get to see your inventory, you get to see purchase orders as well, and you can just see where it says transfers, you can see where it actually says gift cards, right? And also you can see where it says customers, right? And also you can see this feature which says content. You can see where it says blog posts, menus. You can see where it says finance. You can see where it says analytics, right? And afterwards, you're going to see where it says reports. You're going to see where it actually says marketing, and you're going to see where it actually says campaigns, and also you're going to see where it actually says automations, right? And also you're going to see where it says discounts as well. And here you can actually see where it says online store. So you can see, right, I'm gonna click on online store, then it's gonna bring this page right here. So this is how it actually looks like. So if I actually load up what our Shopify store actually looks like, you can see there's nothing here because it's a brand new store. As you can see right here, it's just a brand new store. So which brings us to the next step, which is actually customizing like this, customizing our store. So it actually makes a lot more sense, right, than what you guys are actually seeing right here. So we're gonna put in nice good looking themes for the store, right? And also we're gonna customize everything right here in the next part of this video. So now that we have our Shopify store, right, so the next step is actually picking out themes, right, to customize the store, so we can then start adding products to the Shopify store. So for you to actually add new themes, all you need to do is just go down. You're going to see a variety of free themes that you can use, and also there are also paid themes as well. So you can see right here it says explore more themes, browse over 80 free and paid professionally designed themes. So all this you're actually seeing right here on my screen is actually free themes that you can actually add to your Shopify store to make it look nice. So I'm just going to be clicking on, I'm going to be adding this, right, this theme. I'm going to be adding it to my Shopify store right now. So I'm going to click on this, but otherwise if you want to see other themes as well, I'm going to click on here which says visit theme. And you're gonna be asked to log in, right, to continue to your Shopify. So once you log in, right, you're gonna see lots of themes that you can actually, and you can see, right, this one costs 220 USD, this one is $280, right, this one right here is $290, and this one is $400, right, and this one is $400 as well, $380, $400, right, $380. So these are a very expensive theme, and I strongly recommend that you can actually use the free theme instead of paying so much to actually get this theme at this price. It's actually best that you actually stick with the free theme. So once you've actually made lots of sales, lots of profit, and if you feel like it's the right thing for you to do to get a better theme, yeah, then you can actually transition into getting themes like this in the later stage of your business. So it's actually a very expensive theme. So I'm just gonna go back, just showing you the overview of what the free and paid theme actually looks like. So this is actually free. So I'm gonna click on here which says add. So once you click on add, right, it's gonna be added to our Shopify dropshipping store. So you can see right here it says installing theme. So we're just gonna wait for some few seconds or minutes for this to actually install this theme to our Shopify store. And now you can actually see that it has actually been added. It says just added, right? So what I'm going to do, right, is to click on here. It says publish. So once you've added new theme to your Shopify store, the next thing you need to do is click on here. It says publish. So once you click on publish, right, you can see it says your online store. It's okay. We're gonna remove this later. It says this will replace your current theme. So I'm just gonna click on here. It says publish. Once you click on publish, right, as you can see, it says current theme. Now it's this. So once I click on view store, right, you can see that our theme has actually been published right to our Shopify store. So this actually makes sense. I like this theme. Otherwise you can look for the one that actually suits your style and what you want to what product you want to sell right on your Shopify store. So the next step is to customize this theme basically. So I'm gonna click on here which says customize. So once you click on customize, it's gonna bring you to this interface right that you're seeing on my screen. You're gonna see where it says home page. You're going to see the announcement bar, right? This is at the top, right? So this is known as the announcement bar. And here it says header. As you can see right here, it says template. It says slideshow. And you can see right there it says browse our latest product. And this was actually right here. You can see is browse our latest product. And this is it, right? So you can see where it actually says that's the footer right up, and you can see where it actually says footer right here. So this is the footer of your store, right, which is the end page, right? So what we need to do now is to add an image right to the background. So I'm just gonna right click on it, and once you right click on it, you're gonna see the option which says you should select image right from your computer, or you can explore free images right from Shopify. So anyone that you want, you can actually just click on here and upload the image that you want to use for your store image, right? And as well for where it actually says explore free images, you can click on this, right, and you're gonna find lots of free images that you can actually use right away. Still selecting the image that you want to use basically right for your Shopify dropshipping store. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna see where it actually says select, right? So once you click on select, it's gonna now add right to your Shopify store. So afterwards you're going to now see where it actually says save. So make sure you click on save to actually make the new effects to take place right on your Shopify store. So now that I've actually clicked on save, right, you can actually see how it looks like. So because most people are actually going to be coming to our Shopify store using their mobile phone, so you want to make sure that it actually looks best on mobile. So we're going to preview this in mobile format. So just click on here so we can see what this is all about right on our mobile. This is how it's going to look like on the mobile version, because like I said, lots of people are going to be coming to the store using their smartphones. So I want to make sure that it actually looks good on mobile. So what you want to do next is I'm going to click on the desktop, right, so I can edit. So I can actually decide to take all this out as well. It says browse our latest products, or you can actually just leave it as it is, right? So what I'm going to do now, the next thing is to actually bring in products right to our Shopify store. Yeah, the next step is to bring in products to our Shopify store. So what you need to do, I'm just going to click on here. It says visit. So I'm going to view this online store. So I'm going to see what it actually looks like and what we need to do next. Yeah, so it makes sense. The next step is to bring in products right on your Shopify store. In this part of this video, right, I'm going to be sharing with you two platforms so you can actually find and discover winning products that you can actually sell on your Shopify store, right? So the first one here is actually known as Dropship, and you can see it says just put in dropship.io right on your browser. It's going to bring you right to this page where it actually says discover winning products to sell. It says find and monitor stores to gain insight into their revenue, sales, products, apps, and more. And it's actually a paid platform where if you actually click on pricing, right, you're going to see that the basic plan here is $39, right, and the standard plan right here is $59, right, and the premium plan is $99, right. However, it actually has some free trial that you can actually try out this product for 7 days, right. So if I click on where it says try for free, it's going to try to take me up to where I should actually sign up right on the platform. It's going to tell me to select. It says select a plan to start your 7 days free trial. But it's actually a very powerful tool as well, but I'm going to show you on that website that you can actually find winning products and you don't have to pay $39 per month. It's free, yeah. So what you need to do is just come to your browser, right, put in ecom hunt. So once you put in ecom hunt, you're going to see where it says find winning products to sell on your store. So if I click on here, it says pricing, it's going to take me to ecom hunt's pricing page, right. So you can see where it actually says $0 per month. Literally, when you come to this pricing page, you're gonna have lots of plans, right. You can see it says free plan, but however, this free plan is actually limited. As you can see, it says limited access to ecom hunt winning products database. So this is just an alternative for anyone who can't like wanna or put in or pay $39 per month. You can actually switch to Ecom Hunt, where you can actually have access to products to this tool or to this website, where you can actually use this plan, the free plan, right? It says 10 live trending products. You're gonna be able to see 10 live trending products and 3 products tracker sections. So this is just a limited version, but if you want to upgrade, right, you can see the basic plan is $69, right? This is $15 per month. This is $15 per month. That's billed yearly, and this is $25. This is the pro plan, and you can see right, this one is $30. So you can actually go for the monthly plan, where you can get this for $18, and it says 2 years of e-commerce winning product database, specific product data and analytics, and it's going to give you 50 live trending product and 10 tracker sections. And this one is going to give you, that's the pro plan, it's going to give you limited access to all e-commerce features, one-on-one e-commerce and dropshipping expert consultant, full access to complete dropshipping masterclass course. It says 70 video lessons and 80 live trending products. And just come to Ecom Hunt, you're gonna find lots of plans, but I strongly recommend that you go with the free version. Try the free version first, then later on you can upgrade right to the basic plan. So obviously what you need to do after coming here is to click on the register button. So after clicking on register, it's going to take you to where you could put in your full name and your email address, and you click on this captcha which says I'm not a robot, and afterwards you complete the captcha, you click on verify, then you click on register to create an account right on ecomhunt.com. After creating your Ecom Hunt account, what you need to do is come to tools, right, click on here, it says Ecom Hunt Classic, and you can see it says our traditional and pick research or expert winning products. However, you're gonna find lots of products right on the home page, but we want to find lots of products, right, winning products. So you click on here, it says Ecom Hunt Classic. So I'm gonna click on this, and it's gonna take me right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on here and click on where it actually says Ecom Hunt Classic. So once you click on it, should bring you to where you're going to find lots of products, and you can see this only for pro version, this is only for the pro plan, so it's actually been locked, right? So but you're going to find free ones that you can actually explore right here. So you can see right, these are lots of products that you can actually look at right on your own end, right? So you can actually find lots of products, and there are lots of products that you can actually find, lots of winning products that you can find right here using Ecom Hunt, right, which are actually free. So I'm going to click on the next page. You're going to find lots of products, right, just to give you just an idea of what people are actually searching for and what people are actually spending money on, so you too can actually use that information to set up this type of product on your Shopify store, so you can make lots of sales, get lots of orders, and make lots of profit right on your Shopify dropshipping store. So right here on the Ecom Hunt, I've actually found a product, since my Shopify store is centered around beauty and makeup. So I've actually found a product that I can sell right on my Shopify store. It's actually known as electric makeup brush cleaner, and I've actually found it right on Ecom Hunt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on here which says open link in new tab, and it's going to open the product page, right, so I can see exactly. It says electric makeup brush cleaner. You can see it's under the beauty and health, and you can see it says your profit and cost. The selling price is $19.39, product cost $5.39 for this product, and you can see that the profit margin is $14. I know there are lots of people that are going to be looking for this type of product, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on here which says see on AliExpress. So I'm going to click on this. You need to actually create an AliExpress account, right? So just come to aliexpress.com, and you're going to be able to have this on your screen where you can actually sign in, or you can register, right, to create an AliExpress account. So very important that you have an AliExpress account, so that way you can actually source for products. So I'm going to show you how to import products from AliExpress to your Shopify store. I'm going to go straight into the video where I get to show you exactly how to import product from AliExpress to your Shopify store, how to set up pricing and everything that you need to know. Right, just like I said earlier, found this product, right, so I'm going to sell this on my Shopify store. So what you need to do is click on where it says see on AliExpress, and it's going to take you to AliExpress where the product actually is. So there are lots of things that you need to watch out for, right, on AliExpress. There's lots of product that first you want to make sure that it actually has reviews, so that way we can know that there are people that actually have bought this product in the past and they've given reviews, right. It says to sold. So you can see right here also it's very important to look at the shipping and the delivery is within 7 to 15 business days. We're going to be using this tool right here which is known as the Thesaurus, that's DSARS. We're going to be using this tool, right, to import product from AliExpress to our Shopify store. So we're going to install this app on our Shopify dropshipping store, and we're going to be able to bring out lots of products, right, from AliExpress to, we're going to import those products right to our Shopify store. So we're going to import those products right to our Shopify store, where if anyone's looking to purchase those type of products, we're gonna make a sale when they actually make an order right on those products, and we're eventually gonna get the profit from those products. So what you want to do is come right here on your browser, put in this right, and after putting in, it's gonna bring out this result. Just put in DSARS and it's gonna bring this right. Then you're gonna click on the first result. It's gonna bring you right here. So you need to actually sign up. It also has lots of plans, so we're just gonna head on straight to pricing. Here you can see this is for enterprise, that's $499 per month, that's 49.9, that's 49.90 per month, 19.9 per month for the advanced plan. And you can see right, it has a basic plan which is free, so you can actually use the free plan here to kickstart your dropshipping journey, right? So it's advisable, and I strongly recommend that you actually start with the free plan first. Then when you've made lots of money, then you can actually go on to upgrade to another plan. It could be advanced and it could be the pro, depending on what suits your business style, basically. So I'm gonna click on where it says get started for free. So after clicking on get started for free, it's gonna take me to a page like this where you get to put in your email and password. So after you put in your email and password, you click on where it says get started. On this platform, you're gonna have this on your screen where it says what platform do you want to access, and you can see there are lots of e-commerce platform, right? We've got Shopify, we've got Wix.com, we've got WooCommerce, we've got Jumpseller, we've got TikTok US, TikTok, we've got PickCommerce, we've got a lot of them right on our screen. So I'm just gonna click on Shopify since we are actually interested in. So it's gonna bring out this option where you're gonna select Shopify, right? So afterward you click on install right here on your screen. Actually it's gonna take you to the Shopify App Store, right? You can see this Shopify App Store and it says DSARS AliExpress Dropshipping. So you can see it says free to install, right? And it's also there's free trial available, but we're actually interested in the free plan. So what you want to do, right? And you can see that it has lots of rating, which means there are lots of people that have actually used this product, this app right here, and they're actually satisfied with using this product, right? That's why it has lots of reviews, you can see right here. So I'm gonna click on here which says install. So after clicking on install, what's gonna happen is gonna take us right to this page that you're actually seeing right here on my screen, where we can actually install this app to our Shopify dropshipping store. So I'm gonna click on here which says install, right? So I'm gonna click on install. So after clicking on install, you just click on here which says confirm. It says, are you sure you want to use currently logged in account to bind and authorize to Shopify? Click on confirm right there, and after clicking on the confirm, right, it's going to take you here. So I'm going to click on where it says get started for free, and here you can see it says link your suppliers, link and authorize. It says select the option below. So I'm going to click on where it actually says AliExpress, right? So I'm going to click on AliExpress. It says sign in and authorize permission, so I'm not gonna click on here. So afterward you just click on where it says authorize. So once you click on authorize right there, so after clicking on authorize, it's gonna take you to this interface right you guys are seeing on my screen. So what this wants you to do is it wants you to start a 14-day free trial immediately. So just click outside, just click on this option here, just click on this, right? It's gonna take it off, and I'm gonna click on this to actually close, right? To actually close that, and we're gonna see that there are lots of products, right, that we can actually import to our Shopify store. So this is home page. Go back to DSARS home page, right? You're gonna see where it actually says Chrome extension. So you want to make sure you click on Chrome extension right on your screen. So after clicking on Chrome extension, it's gonna bring you right here. So click on where it says add to Chrome. So once you click on add to Chrome, you're gonna see where it says add extension. So I'm gonna click on add extension, and you're gonna see right here it says AliExpress has been added to Chrome, right? So that's cool. So I'm gonna click off this, then I'm gonna come right here, then I'm gonna click on here. That's to pin it right to the sidebar, right? I'm gonna click on here just to bring out the Chrome extension, right? Or click on here, that's at the top right, just click on here, that's the Chrome extension. Then you click on login. Then you need to log in. So you can see right here, information is imported. That's cool. So go back to the Express as well. So I'm gonna reload the screen as well. Then I'm gonna click on here. So it says import language. So I'm gonna, after importing, you can switch the language of product information. I'm just gonna click on confirm rights. And you can see right here it says AliExpress product import success, right? So we're gonna go back to our dashboard, right? So you want to make sure you log in, as if your account is not logged in yet. So just log in and it should take you to your dashboard. And right here you're gonna see where it actually says import list. I'm gonna click on it, right? So you're gonna see that the product that we've actually imported from, that's AliExpress, right, is actually here. So you can see right here that the stock is actually 29. This is not actually good. So you want to make sure you look for products, right, that has lots of stock. For example, it could be 1,000 stock here. That's better. So that way you can actually make lots of profit from this type of products. So after importing those products, right, to this platform, what you want to do is click on here which says push to store. So you want to click on it. So after clicking on it, right, it's going to bring all this stuff for you. So what you want to do is click on here which says push to stores. So I'm going to click on that. And you can see the status bar, right, for that product. And you can see right here it has actually import our product, right? So all I want to do is go back to our Shopify, so dashboard, right? So just look for where it actually says product. So once you click on product, right, you can actually see that this is a product that's actually been imported right here from this platform. So afterwards you want to make sure you click on it, because if you actually go and look at it at the store, the product is not going to be available right on this store, right, because there are still some modifications and customization that we need to do, right, for the product to be able to be visible right on our dropshipping store. So I'm just gonna go back here. So you want to make sure you click on this. So after clicking on it, so this is actually going to look like on the search engine listing. What you want to do after selecting the product that you want to modify right on your Shopify store. So this is actually too long, so I'm just gonna copy all this stuff, right? I'm gonna click on copy. I'm gonna go to ChatGPT. I'm gonna tell ChatGPT to rewrite this product title to well SEO optimized. For Shopify store. So I'm gonna paste. I'm gonna see what ChatGPT is gonna do, right? So we're gonna use this. So I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna click on copy. So I'm gonna go back to the title of the product. Then we're gonna paste it, right? So the next thing we need to do is you need to edit the description. Make sure you edit the product description. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag this up. So where it actually says specifications, so I'm gonna remove all this. I'm gonna delete this. Then I'm gonna go back to ChatGPT. I'm gonna tell ChatGPT to write a very short and optimized product description. Write a very short and optimized. I'm gonna tell ChatGPT to write a very short and optimized product description. Then ChatGPT is gonna write it. So I'm gonna copy this, right, basically. And you want to make sure you actually read what ChatGPT has actually created, so you can understand what it's actually saying, and if there's any errors, which I doubt there will be, so you need to just if there's any error at all, you can just correct it. And just gonna go back to the product description, then I'm gonna paste it right there. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this bold, then I'm gonna make it italic as well. So right, so you want to make sure you go over the description that's been written, right, that's actually been imported from this platform right here. You want to make sure you go over the product description. Right, so I'm just gonna scroll down, and where it actually says category, Shopify is gonna suggest product category for you. So click on the one that best suits what you're trying to sell, the product that you're trying to sell. So afterwards, you can click on here which says save. So you need to make sure you save, otherwise you're gonna start afresh if you actually leave this page. So what you want to do next is where it actually says variant. So right here, this is the price: 4.29, 4.19, and 4.81. So we need to edit this price. This is where we set up the pricing, so that we can actually make profit if anyone actually make an order or purchase this product. Right here, we're gonna make a sale and eventually make a profit from it. So I'm gonna click on where it says add variant, and once you click on add variant, it's gonna open up a new page for you. So after opening up a new page, it's gonna load up these 3 variants. So you want to make sure you click on the first one here, which is purple, and it's gonna put and select the image by itself. It's gonna set the color. So what we need to do is we need to brainstorm on the price that we want to sell this product for, because we can get it from AliExpress for 4.29. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in 24.49, and where it says compare at price, so we're just gonna put in, I'm gonna put in 44. So it's gonna be like 50% discount right there. So as you can see right here, we're gonna be making a profit of £20 right here. We're gonna making this profit, right? So you can see what this is gonna do is gonna tell people that are actually interested in this product, because once they click through those products, they're gonna see the price. So they're gonna see that this is the real price, but you're actually selling at this price. So what it does is it's tells people that they can actually get it for a lesser price, and definitely they're gonna that's if they're actually interested in this type of product, they're gonna go for it, because they can see that they can actually get it for, I think, 46% off or 48% off. And you can see right here the profit margin here is 82.3%. So what you want to do next is, as you can see, right, this is the available stock. So just click on save. So after clicking on save, you go on to the next variant, click on it. Then you can add your price. So I'm gonna put in 28 this time around. So I'm gonna compare the price at 38 as well. So we're gonna be profiting 24 pounds, right? 24 pounds or $24 depending on the currency, right? So afterwards, you can see right there, that's why I said you need to choose products. That's if you actually want to make profit on your Shopify dropshipping store, you need to look for products that has high stock, so that way you can keep on selling. Yeah, you can keep on selling those type of products over time. So I'm gonna click on save. So you're gonna go on to the next variant. I'm gonna click on gray. So what you want to do is put in the pricing as well. So I'm just gonna put in, okay, I'm gonna put in at 25 $25 or 25 pounds. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in put it at 45 right there, and you can see the profit margin here. The profit is 21 pounds or $21 depending on the currency that you're actually selling your product on. And you can see we've got 15 stock, that's 15 of this product available, right? So I'm gonna click on save. after clicking on save, I'm just gonna view, right? I'm gonna click on this icon to actually view, and you're gonna see that the product is not yet added. So there are lots of things that you need to do. So if I click on catalog as well, you can see it says there's no product found. So what we're gonna do is just go back right to our Shopify admin dashboard. So I'm gonna show you exactly what you can do. So go back right to the main product. So what you want to do is come right here, click on manage markets. I'm gonna click off this. Then since we're actually trying to sell in an online store basically, so I'm just gonna click on done. So I'm gonna click on save. So afterwards I'm gonna go back as well, so you can see 0 sales channel. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on this. So I'm gonna come right here. So what you want to do is click on here which says including markets, right? So I'm gonna click on this. So we're gonna see if it's actually gonna feature on our Shopify store. Not yet. I'm gonna click on catalog. Not yet. So there are still other settings that we need to put in before this product will be able to be to become visible right on our Shopify dropshipping store. What you need to do is select this again, then you come right here, then you click on where it says add to collections. So I'm gonna click on here which says home page. So you can see it says you're about to add one product to collections home page. So I'm gonna click on save, right? So I'm gonna go back again and check. So I'm gonna click on here which says catalog. Then is come right here and click on here which says including sales channels. So we're gonna click on here which says online store basically. So just click on include products, and now it should feature, because you can see it should feature on our Shopify store. So I'm gonna click on this. Then as you can see, right, this is our product here. You can see this is the product, right? So I'm gonna click on here, and it's gonna bring me right to the products, and you can see, right, this is our discount price, right? This is our discount price. This is the actual price, because they're gonna see that they can actually get this price. They can actually get this product at this price. So it actually makes a lot of sense. And so once you just scroll down a bit, right, so there are still some things missing here. We need reviews, right? We need reviews to be added to this page. So I'm going to show you exactly how to add reviews, but first I'm going to change the domain name of this because it doesn't look professional at this point. So I'm going to try to create or pick out a domain name for this store basically. So what we need to do is go back to our Shopify admin dashboard. So come right here where it says settings, click on settings, and after clicking on settings, you're gonna see where it actually says domain. Click on where it says domain. But before going to domain, right, I'm gonna change the name of this store as well. So I'm gonna click on here. So just to rename our store basically, locks, right? So I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna click on save. So now you can see, right, we've changed the name for our store, and as you can see right there on the right hand side, right at the top right corner, it actually changed to Lip Locks. So what you can do is come right here to domain, click on domains right there, and after clicking on domain, so as you can see, right, it says change to a new myshopify.com domain. So I'm gonna click on this, right? So I'm gonna put in Lip Locks. I'm gonna add the number that's liplock7.myshopify.com. So afterward, you click on which says add domain. So once you click on add domain, you're gonna have the name of your store with the .myshopify.com domain. So you can actually use this, or you can actually buy a new domain right on Shopify, but I recommend using this. You're still gonna be able to get lots of orders before transitioning to a new domain, but it depends on what suits your style. So you can decide to get a new domain instantly. So just click on buy new domain, and you're gonna see where it says liplocks.com. It's gonna look for domain name. It's gonna look for the perfect domain name for you depending on the brand name that you've selected. So you can see liplocks.com is now available, but you can actually buy this for $18. I can buy this for $15. I can buy this for $9 as well. I can buy this for $10. So depending on what you want. So you're just gonna go back to. So I'm just gonna click this, right? Click this to go back to our product. So the next step is adding more products basically. So you need to add more products to this, but first I wanna add a review app, right, that's gonna help me import reviews. That's gonna help me import product reviews. For example, this product has 1 review, and if I want to import those reviews right to our Shopify store here, so I'm gonna click on here to view the online store basically. So I'm gonna click on this, and it's gonna bring us here, and we've got our product. So I'm gonna go back to Shopify. So what you need to do is add an app as an app that actually imports reviews, because you can see right here from this platform here, this has the SERS, says import reviews. So you can actually import product reviews, which will actually help you to get more orders, more sales, and help you to even get more profit when people actually make a purchase on those products. So I'm going to click on import reviews basically. So once you click on import reviews, you're going to see where it says looks right here. You can see this one is actually a paid plan. It says from $12.99 per month, free trial available. So I'm just going to show you how to get a free review app that you can use. So what I'm going to do is come right here and Ali reviews. Importer, right? You can see it says Ali reviews importer. So look for this app. So once you look for it, you're gonna see that it's actually free, and what you need to do is click on install right there. So click on install, and it's gonna take you to a page that's your admin on Shopify dashboard. Just click on install, right? Yeah, so as you can see right here, we've got, so what you want to do is click on here, it says pin. So once you pin, then come right here where it says reviews. So you're going to see where, that's when you actually come to this option right here, this feature right here. You're going to see where it says import reviews. So click on it, then click on AliExpress, right? Just scroll down here, just put in 5. So you want to make sure you go back to AliExpress, the product page, click on copy, right? Then you want to make sure you go back to this page as well. Then click on it, then click on here it says create import tags. So as you can see right here, I'm just going to click on here, view online store basically, and once you click on online store, it should take you to your store. So once you click on it, we're just going to check if the reviews are here. So there's no reviews, which means there's something that we need to still implement right on. Oh, right, the reviews are here. So you can see this is the reviews, right? So this is how it's going to look like, and we've just inputted the review right to our Shopify dropshipping store, and anyone that make a purchase right on our store can also leave a product review right on our Shopify store, which makes it looks awesome and professional, and also make it looks legit. Yeah. The next thing you want to do is go back to ecom hunt, where you can actually find lots of products, right? Lots of winning products. So after finding those products, what you need to do is import those products, import the products that you feel that is best for you to sell on your Shopify dropshipping store. Just import those products right on your Shopify store, following the first method you guys actually saw me use to import products as well from AliExpress, and also the reviews as well. You're gonna be able to do exactly the same. Just repeat the process, and you're gonna be able to bring in lots of products right to your Shopify dropshipping store. You can see right here, one product is not enough, so you need to make sure you look for lots of products, right? Let's go to AliExpress, basically look for products that you can actually sell right to your Shopify store. Then after finding a very good product, right, and as reviews as well, and also you've seen that the free shipping is also available, and you can also see the delivery date as well. So afterwards, just click on where it says add to, and afterwards it's going to be added. And obviously what you want to do is go back to your Shopify, then load your screen. As after you load in your page, you should have the product that you've actually imported right from AliExpress. You can see right here. So what you want to do is click on here, and you can see it says the cost anywhere from $21.92 to $22.36. So you want to make sure you click on here. It says push to store, and after clicking on push to store, you're gonna be able to click on this option right here, which says push to store as well. So the idea basically is to have lots of products right on your Shopify dropshipping store. So afterwards, you can see right the status bar. So you're just gonna wait for a while for this to complete. So after completing, you go back to your Shopify admin dashboard, go to products. After going to products, you're gonna find the product that you've actually imported from this platform. Yeah, you're gonna find the product you've actually imported from this platform here, and go back to your Shopify store. Then you want to make sure you click on this as well, and also repeat the same process that we've actually used to make this product visible right on our Shopify store. So you can go back, watch the video as well, and do the same for as many products as you can. Have at least 10 products right on your Shopify dropshipping store. So after having lots of products, then you can now move on to the next. Just like I said earlier, make sure to find lots of products that you can actually add right on your Shopify dropshipping store, so you can actually increase the chances of you even making more sales and making more profit right on your Shopify store. So make sure to look for more products, anywhere from 10 to 15 products as well. Make sure to add more products using ecom hunt to actually find winning products that actually are in demand, and you can actually take it to AliExpress, where you can actually import right to your Shopify store basically. So you can actually sell those type of product and make lots of sales right on your Shopify store. AliExpress, right, and on your account, right, click on here, it says account. Then you're gonna see where it actually says DS Center. So click on DS Center right there, and afterwards it's gonna bring you to a page like this where it says AliExpress dropshipping program user agreement. So you want to make sure you read through every stuff right here. Make sure you read everything right on this page. Then after reading everything, basically just come right here where it says I've read and agreed to the terms. Right, click on here, it says I've read and agreed to the terms as well. So what you want to do is click on here, it says finish. So, and as you can see right here, it says fast shipping items for dropshipping, enjoy deals up to 30% off. So what you need to do is look for more products as well that you can actually sell, that you can actually import on your Shopify dropshipping store. So come in right here, click on where it actually says settings. So after clicking on settings, basically this, so look for where it says policies right here. So click on policies. So after clicking on policies, right, because to create when creating your Shopify store, you need lots of pages. You need to put in return and refund policies page right on your Shopify store. That's at the end, right? Yeah, at the end, you need the privacy policy, you need the terms of service, you need the refund policy, and you need the shipping policy as well, and your contact information as well. So you want to make sure you put in all this information, right? So just click on the first one, return and refund policy. After clicking on it, right, you're gonna see a template, or you can actually create from scratch, but Shopify has a pre-made template for you that you can use. So just click on insert template, and Shopify is going to do everything for you. So what you want to do is read all through and edit stuff as well. Then afterwards, if you're satisfied, you click on where it actually says publish. Afterwards, you move to the next policy right here. So once you click on publish, it's going to automatically feature on your Shopify store basically. So I'll click on publish right now, so just to show you guys some things. So that's the terms of service, and if I go back right and reload my screen, you're gonna see where it actually says terms of service. So once you click on it, it's gonna bring you right to terms of service, right? So basically you want to make sure that you go through everything, because everything that's actually been generated here is gonna feature. So see your terms of service, your contact information as well, shipping policy as well. Let prospective buyers know that it's going to take anywhere from 7 to 15 business days. In some cases, it might take longer than that. So you want to make sure you let them know, because sometimes AliExpress normally delays with orders. Like most people complain about getting their orders. Like let them know that it's going to take anywhere from 7 to 15, and in some instances it can take more than 15 days. So it's just chill and patient, and obviously they're going to receive their orders, and if they have any issues with their orders, they can send a complaint to your email address where you can address those type of issues. So you want to make sure you do that to your shipping policy. Let them know exactly. And if you don't know how to do this, you can just come to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to write you a shipping policy for my drop shipping named just write me a short. So just click on enter, and what ChatGPT is gonna do is it's gonna do all this for you. So what you can do is just read through everything, and if you're satisfied, you can just copy and paste all this, right? And also make sure you edit where it says contact us, and make sure that it's actually your support information that is actually being put right here. And afterwards, you can just copy everything and edit right on your Shopify policies page. So you want to make sure that everything is actually being set up rightly, because lots of prospective buyers are going to go through all this stuff as well. And it also shows that you're actually professional, and yeah, they can actually trust you, because if you've put in the right stuff right here as well, yeah, they're gonna feel confident to make purchases on those products, and in return you're actually gonna make profit. So you want to make sure you put out all this information. It's very important, right, for the success of your Shopify dropshipping store. So I'm going to show you how to connect your Shopify dropshipping store to Google Search Console in this video. So first off, go to your Shopify admin dashboard, and what you want to do is come right here where it actually says, you're going to see right at the home page, you're going to see your Shopify, that's your Shopify or URL, that's your Shopify domain. Or if you want to get a domain, just come right here, click on settings right there, just click on domain right there. After clicking on domains, click on domain, and after clicking on domain, you're gonna find your domain name for your Shopify store right here. Or if you want to buy a new domain, basically that's maybe you want to buy a new domain.com or stuff, so you can just put in your brand name right here, .com, .net, .org. It's gonna bring lots of options for you. So after picking the one that's best for your brand, click on buy, and after buying, you're gonna have a perfect custom domain for your business, your Shopify store basically. But in this video, I'm just gonna show you how to connect. I'm gonna show you how to connect your Shopify dropshipping store to Google Search Console, and I'm gonna explain how beneficial it is. It's gonna be for your business. So I'm gonna click on this right now. So I'm gonna click on copy. So if you have a domain name like this, right, for your Shopify store, what you want to do is go to Google and put in Google Search Console, and you're gonna have this result right here where it says optimize your content with search analytics. So you want to make sure you click on this, and it's gonna take you to Google Search Console. So as you can see right here, it says improve your performance on Google Search. So we're gonna be connecting our Shopify dropshipping store to Google Search Console as well, which means you're gonna be getting organic search traffic, right? Organic search traffic to your Shopify store. Getting to Google Search Console, what you want to do is click on where it says start now, and what you want to do is come right here where it says URL prefix. So you want to make sure you click on that one, just paste it right there. I'm gonna put in the HTTPs, right? HTTPs, right? I'm gonna click on where it actually says continue, and once you click on continue, it's gonna bring up this pop-up where it says verify ownership. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on here which says HTML tag. So make sure you click on HTML tag. You're gonna need to put this on the head section of your Shopify store. So I'm gonna click on copy, right? So I'm gonna go to online store, I'm gonna go to themes basically. Then after going to themes, then I'm gonna come right here where it says edit code. I'm gonna click on edit code basically. And after going to edit code, then I'm gonna click on here which says theme.liquid. So this is the head tag, right? So I'm gonna press the enter key on my keyboard, and I'm gonna Ctrl V, right, just to paste this code right from Google Search Console. So I'm gonna click on here which says save. So after clicking on save, right, it's gonna say asset saved. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to Google Search Console, then I'm gonna scroll down here, I'm gonna click on verify, and obviously it's gonna bring out this red flag here. It says ownership verification failed. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to fix this issue if you have this type of problem. So what you want to do is you go back to Shopify. I'm gonna click on exit. So what you want to do is go back to where it actually says preferences, right? Click on preferences, right? Then afterwards, you're gonna see right that because the store is actually being passworded, and it's gonna be difficult for Google to actually get the data that they need to actually verify our site, that's our Shopify store. So you need to close up, like you need to just disable password here, then click on save. So after clicking on save, it says your online store is open to everyone. So what you want to do is go back, but if you're actually using the Shopify free plan, you will not be able to submit your site, because obviously Shopify will not give you the options to do that, because it has to be on a plan. So you need to go to the basic plan or the pro plan or the advanced plan, which you can actually get for free, and it's going to be £1 or $1 for next 3 months, which means you can actually try dropshipping out for next 3 months for £1, and when you actually make lots of money from it, you can actually pay for those plans, which makes sense. So you want to head back to Google Search Console. I'm going to click on OK. So I'm going to go back to where it says HTML tag, right? I'm going to click on here which says verify again. So as you can see right here, it says ownership verified, right? So yeah, I've actually done that. Now I'm going to click on done. So what you want to do is click on the property, right? Just click on it. So what you want to do right now is to add sitemaps, basically. So what you want to do is click on here which says sitemap, click on sitemaps, and afterwards what you need to do is just put in sitemap.xml. So once you do that, click on here which says submit. Once you click on submit, it's going to say submitting sitemap, and you can see it says sitemap submitted. In this part of this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to contact suppliers right on AliExpress, right? So I'm going to show you how to contact supplier for your dropshipping store, right? So what you want to do is, after looking for the products that you want to actually sell on your Shopify dropshipping store, what you want to do is click on the product, basically. So after clicking on the product, it's going to give us lots of information about the product, as well as the seller or the supplier or the trader of that product. So what we want to do is, so what you're going to do is come right here where it actually says reviews. You can see that it has like 103 reviews. So you want to scroll down to the end part of the page. You're going to see lots of reviews, reviews, right? So I'm just gonna look at this reviews, right? So there are good reviews and also there are bad reviews, right, on this product. So it says can't pull. So we're gonna look for another product, basically, because so I'm gonna click on this one. So for example, this has lots of reviews. So if I want to sell this electric makeup brush cleaner, so after clicking on the product, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the reviews, basically, just to see if clients have been satisfied. And you can see here there's 5-star reviews coming, so it shows that lots of people are happy with this product. Yeah, so you can actually go on to contact the supplier of this product. So once you actually scroll back up, right, you're going to see the trader, and you can see right location, that's China, and has been in business for almost 1 year, and they sold over 800, more than 800 of this product, right? And it has 233 reviews, and most of these reviews are positive reviews. So I'm just gonna click on this guy right here, and you're going to see it's going to bring us to this page, and what you're going to see is where it actually says contact now. So click on contact now. So after clicking on contact now, it's going to take us to where we can actually message this store, right? That's the supplier or whoever is actually running the store. So right here, just head on to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to actually write you a script to actually contact our suppliers on AliExpress, and it's gonna bring a template that you can actually use. And it says put in the supplier, that's the supplier name. Then you're gonna put in this stuff, basically run a Shopify dropshipping store, and I'm interested in selling this product. I want to work with reliable suppliers for long-term business. I have a few quick questions. So there are lots of questions that you're gonna ask. What's the average shipping time, or do you offer fast shipping options, like so that buyers are actually gonna get their product at very fast rate as well. And you're gonna ask again, can you handle many orders per day if my store grows? Can you send me real product photos or videos for marketing? Then looking forward to working with you. Thank you. So adding lots of products to your Shopify dropshipping store. So the next step you want to do is promote those products. You can use social media to promote those products right on your Shopify store. You can use social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and also you can also use paid traffic, like using Facebook ads, using Google ads as well to promote those products. But what I actually recommend in this video is using SEO, which means it's going to take time for those type of of method to actually work, because you're gonna need to create content, you're gonna need to write blog posts and write lots of articles on this type of product. But I think it's best if you can actually use social media at this stage, right, to promote this type of content, because people actually engage more on social media once they actually see stuff that they're actually interested in, like what this type of product they're actually interested in. You can actually post on your Facebook page, you can post on your Instagram or TikTok account and put a link, a call to action that's gonna take them straight to your job. After setting up your Shopify dropshipping store, so what you need to do is marketing. So what you can do is come to a site like fiverr.com, and Fiverr is actually a freelance marketplace where you can actually find lots of freelancers that can help you out. That's when you're actually running a business of your own, right? So just come to Fiverr search bar, put in Shopify Facebook ads, and it's gonna bring lots of freelancers. You're gonna find lots of them, right, and their prices. And the reason you want to actually reach out to these guys is because they're actually professionals and they can help you to instantly get results. So you can actually use these guys. You can use the services of these guys because they know a lot about how to run Facebook ads, and you can see that they've got lots of reviews as well. This one has got 45 reviews, 187 reviews, 343 reviews, and this one is 181 reviews. And you can see right here, this one has 1,000 plus reviews right here, and you can see that's 272. So these guys actually know what they're actually offering right here on Fiverr. So you can set up an account on Fiverr right here and reach out to one of these guys to promote your Shopify store, though it's going to come at cost. You're gonna have to pay the cost, definitely, because you're actually running a business. And after all, because Facebook ads is actually effective to use to promote. So once you actually reach out to these guys, they can help you run the Facebook ads campaign for you, and it's gonna be pretty much easy for you to get more orders and get more sales and make lots of profit.